methods that I'll be using, the techniques that I'll be using, basically approx, then you have unit digit, then you have prime factor. All these techniques have been in details, it has been given there, so you can go and see it there. Prime factor, then it is complementary pair, 9 method, and 0 method. We will try to solve as much arithmetic as possible through these techniques only. Okay. So come, let's go and see it, but I'll again request you to first go and see this video. Then only you will be able to understand what I am using here. So I have taken some questions. We will go through the questions one by one, and then I'll tell you what method I have used, what technique I have used, and why. See, here, since options, one more thing that I forgot to tell you is that what we are looking here is we are trying to find the answer. Trying to find the answer, not trying to solve the question. We are not solving questions. No, we don't solve questions. We just try to find out the correct option. Okay. So since we are trying to find out the correct options, so here, since unit digit of all the options are different, so I'll try to find out the answer by unit digit method. By unit digit method, 5 into 2, it will give you 0. 2 into 2, it will give you 4. So your answer is going to be the one which is having 4 as unit digit. As simple as that. Come. Here, whenever you find that the numbers you are finding it difficult, just believe that these numbers are very easily divisible. So here, if I try to divide it, this will be 1 and 5. Okay, 15. 3 into 5. Okay, here, if you it will be 9 2 18. So maybe 12. Now, thing is that if I would have done it by unit digit, I'll just go through that first. Then I'll see by unit digit, I would have simply shifted it here, 39 and 345 here. Now, if I find out what unit I'll have here, 9 into 5, 5. 5 into 4, 0. Here, 3 into 8, 4. 4 is to be multiplied by something which will give you 0 as unit. 0, it is not possible. Why? Because if you multiply it by 0, then entire thing will become 0. Whereas answer is, it is 4. So 4 has to be multiplied by 5. So only then you will get 0. So what I did, I'll come once again, I simply shifted these two which are in division to here, and then I found out the unit 4 into 5, 0. 0 into 9, 0. Here 3 and 8. 3 into 8 is 4. 4 is to be multiplied by something which will give me 0. So 4 has to be multiplied by 5 only. 0 is not the option. Had it been 10, we would have thought of something else to try to find out the correct answer. Come. Here BODMAS will follow. In all our technique, BODMAS will remain there. So as per BODMAS, it has to be done first. So it will give you 11. This will give you 100. 100 will actually 100 root 100 will give you 10. So 390 plus 10, 400. So 20 is the answer. Here you don't need to go through any technique, to use any technique. You can simply take it as it is and you will find out the answer. Okay. Here see, since we have to multiply it and the number we are finding it difficult, so what I'll suggest that we'll go through the approx mode. In approx, this is 2, this has very little value. So basically 2 and 3 by 8. So your answer would be something 2.5 or something like this, or something more than 2.5. Here 17 by 51 would have given you 1 by 3. So your answer has to be something into 3 minus something. So if you multiply 2.5 and 3, it will give you 7.5. So here the only option that is available with you is 7. You can check it, but since it is mixed fraction, so we can simply do it like this is 2, this is 3 by 8. This will give me something around 2.5 or something. This will be something less than 3. So if I multiply 2 plus something to 3, it will give me more than 6 or 7. Okay. So I have taken 7 as answer because it will be more than 7 and this is already 1 by 3. So we can go for this. If you have to solve it, then what you can do is you can simply take 48 as base and then 3 by 8. You will write 3 by 8 as 48. 8 6 are 48. So 3 into 6, 18 plus 2 by 48 plus 3 by 48. So it will give you, and 2 is still there. 2 is still there. So if I write 2 also as in the form of 48, then it will be 96 by 48. If I solve everything, then it will be 23 plus 96, 119 by 48. If you put 7 here, 717 by 48, okay, 7 into 17. Basically, it is 7 into 17 by 48. So you are getting 119 by 48. This is not mixed fraction. This is basically multiplication. So it will be 7 into 17 by 48. So you are getting 119, which you did just by the way of looking at the numbers. You found out that 7 should be the answer. Okay. Here again, numbers 17, this is divisible. So 6 3 are 18 into 10, 180. So 9 into 20 is 180. It's easy, not much to do here. %45 of 600. This is something where I can use 9 method. 9 method, as you know, that if I multiply anything by 9, it will give me 9 only, and 9 has no value, but still 9, and this will give you 5 to 7, 3 to 5, 7 into 5, 35. So 35 will give you 3 plus 5, 8. So 9 minus 8, 1. Here 9 you can cancel, so 1. This one is your answer. No other number is giving you 1 as in the in 9 method. So this question we can easily solve by 9 method because options are different. Here, this you can, if I go by unit digit, then this will give me, percentage will always eat 2 0. So 5 into 3, 5. Here you will divide it by 2, so it will give you 2. You will multiply it by 2, so it will give you unit 1. So 1 into 2, 2. 5 minus 2, you are getting 3. And then you have to add this 17 here. So your unit will be 0. Since all the answers have different digit, so I can simply do it by unit digit. Sure. If I do it by unit, this will give me 3 square 9, 9 square 1, this will be 8. So 9 minus 1, 8, 8 plus 8, 16. Now you have to multiply 2 by something which will give you 6. 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, 2 6 ja 12, 2 2 ja 4. So this is the only option which is giving you 6 as unit. So that is your answer. Sure, unit I cannot do it because all the options have 80, 80, 80. But since 3 and 8 are common everywhere, but 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. So I can very easily do it by 9 method. This is 9, so this will have no value, and this is basically 33, and this is 9. So this is also 9 only. So you have to have this one also 9. Now there are two things. One is 28. 28 is not multiple of 3. So any number that you are picking should have 9 as digital root. Here 3 to 5 plus 8, 13, 1, 3, 4. This one is also not there. 8, 4, 12, 3, 15, no. 6, 3, 9, cancel, 8. This one is your answer. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 10 plus 8, 18. Another thing is that since you are dividing it by 28, so by prime method, your option should be multiple of 7. For multiple of 7, what we do is either that this you will find in the basic video. If xy is the number, then what we do, x minus 2y or x plus 5y. This will give you the multiple of 7. So here, if I multiply it by 2, 16, 37 minus 16 is giving you 21, which is multiple of 7. So this is multiple of 7. 8 into 5, 40 plus 37, 77. It is multiple of 7. So 3780 is your answer. Sure. Again, we can do it by 9. This is 9, so this will not have any impact. 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 into 6, 48. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. This is 8. This is 9. This is 2. This is your answer. 4 plus 8, 12. 1 plus 2, 3. Finding it easy? These are the best techniques that you can use for simplification, and not only in simplification, we use it everywhere, be it DI, be it your arithmetic, we use it everywhere. Okay. This one, since if I go by unit, this is giving me 5, so this will give me 0, and any number that you multiply 5 by, it will give you 0 only. So there is no need of that. Only thing is that we can very easily do it by approx. This is 215, so you are going to give 300 plus something. So 85, you have to multiply 85 by something, which will give you 300 something. So that is 4 only. If I do it by 9, then this is 5 3s are 15, 1 plus 5, 6. This is 5 plus 3, 8. Now I have to subtract 8 from 6. So what I'll do, I'll subtract 8 from 60. So 5, 52, 5 to 7. Now 8 plus 5, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 4, 16. That is giving you 7. 4 into 6, 24, 2, 4. 4 into 8, 32, 5. So by 9 also we are getting 4 only. But since it was easier by approx, so I used approx there. And just to cross check, I used 9 method. Here again, this is easy, so we don't need to do anything. 127, 254 divided by 2 is 127. Especially in RRB and clerical pre, these are the type of questions which are being asked. Since there your speed matters, use all these techniques and your speed will improve like anything. Here we can divide it. So 24, this will give you 48. These are the numbers which I have, there are certain pair of numbers which are very commonly used. So I have given those numbers in the basic videos. Now it is easy. 48 minus 20 is 20. 20 plus 24 is 44. So you don't have to use any technique here. Just if you have this 24 into 7, 168 and 48 into 3, 144. If it is handy with you, then you can very easily tell the answer. This is basically 4 square, so 16 into, okay, let's go to some, first, see, if I go by a unit, then this is 4, this will give me 6. Here it will give me, since 36 is not divisible by 8, I'll give you one more example. Okay, I'll just do it. 8 4 ja, 8 4 ja, 34, 44. This will give you 5.5. So here it will be a bit difficult if I go by unit, because I'll have to again multiply it here. So I will not use unit here. Rather, I can use either 9 or I can simply go and do it. If I solve it, this 16, this will give me 8 4 ja, 32, 4 4 ja, 845.5 minus 64. This has to be multiplied. Now I can use my 9, because unit might be difficult for you. See, unit is not very difficult. Like the 16 to 5, this will give you 0. 16 half, this will give you 8. 8 minus 4, 4. But it it needs some practice. Otherwise, if you go by 9, 4 5 9, it will get cancelled. 5 into 7, 35, 8. This is basically 6 plus 4, 1. So 8 minus 1, you are getting 7. This is giving you 6 plus 6, 12 plus 4, 16, 1 plus 6, 7. So this is your answer. This one, 25.2% of 1250. In calculation part, I have told you about this complementary pair. There are certain numbers which are complementary in nature. Those are basically 5, 25, 125, 625. So 5, 4, 5, 2, 25, 4, this is 8, this is 16. So instead of multiplying it by 8, by 125, I can divide it by 8 if I have to find out the answer. Since I got it here, so I thought I'll just tell you about this method. But in this question, 9 is the best way. So this is 9. So this will give you 9 only. This is 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. 5 plus 2, 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Here you are getting 8 plus 7, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. So you need 8 here. 7 plus 2, no. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. So I was just telling you about this, that if I try to find out 25.2% of 1250, then I'll simply divide it by 8 and multiply it by 1000. Since it is percentage, so 20 will go and this 0 will eat this decimal. So 252 by 8 is your answer. Now this you can find out. Here again, this is 21, this is 13. I cannot go by unit because all are same. But 9, nobody can stop me. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. This is 5. 5 square is 25, which is giving you 7. So this gets cancelled. This is 2 plus 8, 1. Here 46 is the only option which is giving you 1 in 9 method. 4 plus 6, 10. 1 plus 0, 1. I hope you all are enjoying it. Come. Here, since it is a square, so I cannot go in 9 method directly because 2 plus 1, 3 square, 9, 9, 9. Everything will give me same. So 9 is not the correct option here. Here I can simply go by approx or unit. Unit is also a bit difficult, but approx is pretty easy. 50% is giving you 150. Okay. So this will give you more than 150. If you remember, then 168, this is giving you 24. But since it was 150 and I was going to subtract 20, 25 something, so 12 was the only option available here. No other option is close. So approx is the best, or if you can calculate, then 168 minus 24 is giving you 144. Here, since it is 9, so this has to be 9. Just try to find out what all options you have for 9. Then we will try to find out something else. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 4, 9. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 8, 18. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 3, 15. No. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 8. No. No. So there are two options available here. Since here you have 7, so you can simply check which is the multiple of 7. This will give you again I remember this number from the previous question, so I know this is the multiple of 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28. So what we did, we just used 9 and then we used prime factor. Here you can simply, this will give you 3, this will give you 32. So unit only option where 2 is the unit, because this is going to give you 0. So only option available is 122. Here since you have to add, so approx, I'll just check if approx is something. See, this is giving you 115. We'll just check what will be here. Okay, if I go by approx, then this will be 9 plus 7, 16. So this will give me 200 something, basically 1680. So this is giving you 210. So 115, now it has already been solved. So 210 minus 115 is your answer. Okay, we could have, see, we did a mistake. We could have done it by unit, because since it was 0, so 8 has to be multiplied by 5 only. Since it is giving you 5, so no, here you would have got stuck. No, it's better to go through this route only. This is the better way. Here we can use unit 4 into 5, 0, 0 minus 9, 1. So I have two options. Now I'll use 9, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 into 8, 48. This is going to give me 3. This is 2, 3, 5. 5 square is 25. 30 minus 25 is 5. This is 5. Since I had to subtract 3 minus 7, so I simply used this 30, and instead of again adding back 25 to 5, I simply subtracted 25 from 30, because it is going to give you same answer. 30 minus 7, 23. 2 plus 3, again 5. Okay, this is, sorry, same question. Repeated question. Here we can the unit these two are same, but we can check it. 6 6 36 minus 0 6 plus 8 3 4. So what you got is 6 plus 4 0. So 8 has to be multiplied by either 0 or 5, so I got stuck. So I'll rather use 9 here. In 9, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 square is 64. 64 is giving you 10, that is 1. So I'll use 10. 10 minus 8, 2 plus 8 3 are 24. So this is giving you 6. So 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Now 8 has to be multiplied by something which will give you 8. 8 6 are 48. 8 into 1, 8. So by 9, it will give you correct answer. If I go by unit, then 8 into 0 will also give me 0. 8 into 5 will also give me 0. Sorry, it's the same question. Here, finding it by unit is useless, because everything is, when all the options are 0. You can simply calculate it, this is giving you 15. So if I do it, then this will be 15. 15 1 15, then 17. This one will give you how much? This is going to give you more than 30. So if you have calculated it as 117 plus 30, so it will be more than 147. So 150 is the only option available with me. I did not calculate it because there is no need. Since it is going to 4 into 3, 12. So it is going to be more than 30. So my answer has to be more than 117. So 150 is the only option available with me. Here again, if I go by unit, percentage will eat 20. 2 into 7, 4. 4 minus 9, 6 54. 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 into 5 is the only option which will give you 0. Correct? This we have already done. This we have already done. Okay, this one also. Sorry, some questions got repeated. Okay, this you can simply do it. 8 into 2 to 12. This is 13. So 5 square is your answer. What I did, I divided 16 by 8. So 8 into 2. Then I divided 24 by 2. So 12 plus this is 13. 25. 5 square is 25. As simple as that. This you can do. You can go by approx also, or you can go by 9 also you can go. If I go by 9, this is 9, this is 4 plus 6 10 plus 8, this is again 9. So my answer has to be 9. 4 plus 5 9, 7 plus 2 9, this is there. 15 plus 6 no, this is there. Then so there are two options which is giving me 9. So now I can either go by approx. If I go by approx, this is going to give me 32 plus 4, 3600. This is 1/4, so 400 something. This is too much. So this is going to be your answer. Here we can use 9, no issue in that, because all the numbers are different. This is going to 9, this will give you 13. Now everything we can use. See, 4 plus 2 6, 6 into 2 12, that is 3, plus 1 3 4, plus 2 plus what is equal to 4. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2 9. So this got cancelled. So 4 is the required number. So there is only one which is giving you 4. %78 of 150 plus. Okay, here is what. I was trying to find out where is what. This is going to give you, if I try to, I can do it by 9. If this is going to give you 57, 19 into 3. So 5 plus 7, 12 or 3. 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 into 6, 9. This is plus 168. So this is 6, 8 and okay. This is also odd mass. So I'll have to find out this first. This is 12 and this is 168. So it is giving me 14. So this is 5 minus this is going to be 0 because 45. 5 minus what is equal to 3. So I need 2, 5 minus 2. So 20 is the only option. What we did, I simply did that by 9. This is 7 plus 8, 15. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 into 6, 36. So 9. This is 12. So this will give you 14. So this is 5. This 45 minus this is again 0 because it is giving you 9 only. 5 minus what is equal to, this is 19 into 3, 57. 5 plus 7, 12. That is 3. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. In case of any doubt, you can put it in comment. I'll try to explain the things. Here again, what do you want to do? 9 unit 2578, wherever you find it easy. Okay, let's go by unit for this time. This will be out by percentage. 9 into 2, 8. 0 minus 8 will give you 2. And this is again 0. So it has to be 2 minus 0, then only you will get 2. So 47 is the only one which is giving you 2. This is 3, this is 9, this is 6. So it was pretty easy by 9 method. This is 89, so 17. This will be either 67 or 100 minus 17, that is 83. It cannot be 83, so this is 67. If I go by unit, I'll get stuck here. So I'll rather use 9. This is 9, so 57 into 9, this will be out. This is 20, so it will give me 46. And I have to subtract it. So 9 will get cancelled. 46 minus 4 plus 2, 6. So 46 minus 6, it will give me 40, that is 4. 4 plus what is equal to 6 plus 7, 13. 4 plus, this is again 4 only. So you have to have 0 as your answer. Either 0 or 9. But since by unit also most probably you are going to get 0 only. So 0 is the answer. None of these we generally discount it. And especially this session is for practice. So here I have discounted it. Wherever you have doubt, you can check it. But later on, not in the first go. Okay, if I tell you again what I did, since it was 9, so I simply discounted it. This is minus 6. I said I cannot subtract it from 9, or if I go, then this was 9, this is minus 6, so I got 3. Plus, this is 20, this is 92, so I am getting 46. This is 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. This is 67. 6 plus 7, 13. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus what is equal to 4? 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. This is third one. You can simply use the base and go on calculating. Like this was 8. Divide means minus. This is 4 to the power 4. So minus 4. This is into, so plus 4 to the power 3. This is again minus 3. this is 1. So now I got 3 and 3 got cancelled. 8 plus 1, 9 minus 4, 5. This is 4 to the power 2. So I need 3. 2 plus 3, 5. In third question, you simply take the base and keep on adding, subtracting, and you will get the answer. Here, approx is, I think, best way, because see, this will get cancelled by this, minus plus cancelled. It has no value, so 77, this has no value. 77 plus 7, so it has to be more than 8, and you have only one option available, which is of more than. What we did, we simply cancelled this, and then we say that 76 and 7. So it has to be more than 8, so there is only one option available of that. No need to calculate and go ahead and calculate the entire number. The simple one, this is basically 12, so this 4 plus 53, 57, this is 8, so it has to be 7 square plus 8 will give you 57. There are some very common, very easy questions also, for which you don't need any trick, basically any technique also. Here again, if I go by 9, then this is 8, this is 4, 8 4 ja 32, minus this is 7 plus 6, 13, 1 plus 3, 4, into 2, 8, 32 minus 8, you are getting 24, 4 plus 2 is 6. This is 6 plus 4 plus 2, no. 5, 4 got cancelled, so this, yes. 5, 3, 8, 8, this is 7. This is 8 plus 8, 16, this is also 7. So you have just one option, 564, and that is your answer. Here again, 841, this is 29. So if I go by unit, then 9 5 ja 5, 5 minus 7 is giving you 2. So it has to be 0, 0 minus 8 will give you 2. So this is the only option. What I said, 841 is the square of 29. 9 into 5, you are getting 5. This is 7. So if you subtract 5, okay, no, I did something wrong. 5 minus 7, 15 minus 7, you are getting 8, sorry. You are getting 8. 5 into 9, 5 minus 7, 15 minus 7, you are getting 8 equal to, here, if I take it this way, 8 plus 8, I got 6. Now you have to multiply 2 by which number which will give you 6. 2 into 3 is the only number which is going to give you 6. And wherever you have doubt, you can always go and check. Like if I check it by 9, then this is 8, this is 29, so basically 2, 8 into 2, 16, minus 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18, so this is nothing. So 7 minus 0 is equal to 7. Here, if I change the side of 58, 5 plus 8, 13, so you are getting 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 1, 2. Now this is 4. 4 into 5, 20. So if you have this, practice of cross-checking it, first you find the answer, then you cross-check. Wherever you think it can change. So it will be very easy for you to do it. Okay, so that was it. All the best. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please do share it with others and do subscribe the channel. Thank you and all the best.